Finally, I'm putting myself together to start my container vegetables and herbs gardening this year. I finally have my seedlings, my soils, my containers, the gardening tools that I need, my gloves, my food plant food. For my vegetables, I have two different types: the Miracle-Gro Soluble plant food and also the organic garden tone plant food that I'll be giving to them once I plant them in the container. But it has taken me a little bit, but finally things are coming together and I am finally getting to the spirit and then enjoying the seedling that I just bought. They smell so good, so I'm just there playing, having fun with the seedlings, and then we'll start just growing. I do have a lot of videos that I did on, as a beginner, how to start your vegetables and herbs container gardening. Just buy seedlings. Even I still buy seedlings myself. So start with seedlings. Like I'm here, I just bought my seedlings. They are smelling so good, and the basils that I have, the cilantros that I have in there were just so marvelous. Perfume scent coming out of them, so I can't stop smelling them. But this is just the beginning. Just get the basic things together. You need your soils. I'm trying three different type of soils. You need your containers. You need your seedlings, and then you just get your plant food or food plant, and just start planting. And that's what I'm going to start doing very soon. And I hope you enjoy it. Let me know where you are watching from, and I'll see you when I started planting all these vegetables and herbs in a container. And it will be lovely, and I would love for you to take the journey with me, see step by step how I do my vegetables and herbs planting. And it's lovely, it's amazing. Subscribe to Gardeningvava, and I'll see you when I start planting all these vegetables. It's going to be very, very lovely, and it's a great journey, and you will love it. Thanks for having you here. See you on the next video. A lot of videos for you to see the soils and all the things that I'm started doing. See you. Take care. Bye.